Excuse me. Hi, my name is Jubin. So I go up to people, take their photos and post them on social media. Just wondering if I can take your picture.
Sure.
Thank you.
What do you want me?
Just stand like that. Can you stand here for me in the shade? Thank you so much. Yes, right. I'll take one more. Can you look there? There you go.
Thank you. Oh, I look. Okay, that's fine. Thank you.
Cheers. Thank you so much for your time.
You're very welcome.
Cheers, mate. Have a nice day. Hi guys, sorry to bother you. So my name is Juben. So I go up to people, take their photos and post them on my social media. Just wondering if I can get a picture by any chance.
Yeah, why not? Hey, yeah, why not?
Sure, thank you. Yeah, can we take from there? It looks like.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, it's
sound.
good. Thank you.
You have a nice day?
Yeah, just started. How are you today?
Smile or what?
Yeah, you can smile.
Cool paper. Yeah. Fire album.
Take one more. Can you stand a bit closer? There you go.
Nice
Aw.
sound. Yeah. Oh, cool.
Oh, thank you so much.
Thank you so much for your time.
Can I follow you?
Sure. Instagram.
Yeah.
That is me.
Oh, amazing.
Thank
you so
you.
much.
Well, have a good day, mate. Anyway, cheers.
Cheers.
man.
Yeah, sure. Thank you so much for your time. Bye bye.